Hi children, welcome to a new section. Today we are going to learn a new topic. What is the name of the topic? Expanding brackets. So let's just look at the first question, 8 into 107. Why we are using this expanding brackets? So instead of doing the multiplication, addition is easy for us, is it? So we will get the answer very quickly. Now how will we do it? Just go look at the question. We already studied the expanded form, is it? So if you are getting a question like this, always try to expand the bigger number, then your calculation part will be simple. Now here 8 or 107, which is the bigger number? 107 is the bigger number. So you expand 107. What is the first step? You have to expand the number. That means you write the expanded form. Expanded form means what? What is the expanded form of 107? 107, how will we expand the number? You can expand it as 100 plus 7, is it? So you expand the number 100 plus 7 and keep that number inside the bracket. That is very important. If you are expanding one number, we have to put that number inside one bracket. Now the next step is that now you multiply the 8 to 100. That is the first step. 8 into 100. Now what is the sign given there in the question? It's an addition sign here, is it? Plus, again the outside number is common to the bracket. So 8 into 7. 8 into 7. Which property we are using here? It is distributive property that you will study later. Now just understand this much. First we have to expand one number. After expanding the number, keep that number inside the bracket. After keeping that number inside the bracket, you have to open the bracket. How will we open the bracket? Just multiply it. 8 into 100. What is the sign in the question? That will be the main sign, plus 8 into 7. Now 8 into 100. What is the answer? 8 into 100 is 800 plus 8 into 7. What is the answer? 56. So 800 plus 56. What is the answer? 856. So you got the answer very quickly instead of doing multiplication. The only one thing, expand the number and open the bracket. Okay. What is the first step? You have to expand one number. If it's the first number or second number, there is no problem for that. Which number is convenient for you, you can expand that number. Okay, expand the number, then you open the bracket, multiply it. The property we are using here, it is distributive property that you will learn later. So, open the bracket, then what is the next step? Multiply 8 into 100, what is the answer? 800. 8 into 7, what is the answer? 56. So, you got the answer. So, what is the answer? 856. Clear? Now, look at the next question. 103 into 104. Here both numbers are bigger numbers. So, any number you can expand. If you want 103, you expand 103. If you want to expand 104, you can expand 104. Here I am expanding 104. So, how will we write? 103 into, remaining part is same. Now, inside the bracket 104. What is the expanded form of 104? 100 plus 4. Okay. After expanding the number, what is the next step? You have to open the bracket. That means multiply like this way. 103 into 100. What is the sign in the question? Plus. What is the sign in the bracket? Plus. Again 103 into 4. Till this much is clear? Then 103 into 100. What is the answer? If you want to multiply a number by 100, just write the number and add that much of zeros. So, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So, what is the answer? This is the multiplication answer, is it? Not final answer. This is the multiplication answer. Okay, 10,300. Now, plus 103 into 4. What is the answer? 103 into 4. Do the multiplication. 103 into 4. What is the answer? 4 3s are 12. 1, 1, 4. What is the answer we got? 412. Now you add it. 10,300 plus 412. What is the answer? 10,712. So instead of doing the long multiplication, you got the answer very firstly. Clear? Method is clear. How to expand the number? First you expand one number, then you open the bracket, multiply it. The property we are using here, it is distributive property that you will learn later. Just now try to understand this step only. Now the next problem. Here which number we want to expand? We will expand 102, is it? That means 100 plus 2. After expanding the number, always keep inside the bracket. Then what is the next step? Multiply it, open the bracket. That means 15 into 100 plus again 15 into this 15 is common to 102. Is it? 15 into 100 plus 15 into 2. Now what is the next step? 15 into 100, what is the answer? 1500 plus 15 into 100, 1500. 15 into 2, what is the answer? 30. So 1500 plus 30, what is the answer? 1530. So you got the answer, is it? I think now it's clear for everyone. Now move to the next question. 8 into 32. Which number you want to expand? Any number. So 32. 30 plus 2. We can write 32 as 30 plus 2. That is the expanded form of 32. 30 plus 2. Now what is the next step? Bracket. 8 into 30 plus again 8 into 2. Then 8 into 30, what is the answer? 240 plus 8 into 2, what is the answer? 16. Now 240 plus 16, what is the answer? 256. So you got the answer. Now the method is clear. This is expanding brackets problem. Okay. Now you mark the homework questions and try to do these questions. It will be more clear by using expanding brackets. Expanding brackets question. Expanding brackets. Expanding brackets, homework questions, mark it. Any number you can expand, either if you want 32 or 107. Any number you expand it and just try to do it. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.